Good morning, students. Welcome back to chemistry classroom once again. Today I will discuss the exercise of this particular chapter. So at first I will start the objective type question. First choose the correct option. Fish derive oxygen from, here is 4 options, but answer will be the dissolved air. Air occupies space and has mass. Which of the following components of air is used in photosynthesis? Carbon dioxide. Next, number 4, which gas is released in photosynthesis? That is oxygen. Which of the following components of air is used in respiration? Oxygen. Which gas is released in respiration? Carbon dioxide. Match the following. Air, a mixture. Water, a compound. Oxygen, it is an active element, and nitrogen, that is an inactive gas. Next, fill in the blanks. The earth is surrounded by a thick blanket of air, that is also known as atmosphere. Water, when poured into a glass, displaces air from the latter. Air is a gaseous mixture. A driver carries oxygen cylinder for respiration. The gas present in the air help in the formation of clouds, that is dust particles. Next, true false. The oxygen to nitrogen proportion in air is 1:5. True. There is a vacuum in an empty glass, that is false, because empty glass is filled with air. Carbon dioxide turns lime water milky. True. Anhydrous copper sulfate turns blue with water. When anhydrous copper sulfate added with water, it turns into blue color. That's why true. Nitrogen is combustible substance, but not supporter of combustion. That is true. The dust present in the air help in the formation of clouds. True. Now, short type answer question. Why do air bubbles come out when soil is added to water? Because air is also present in the gap between the particles of soil. That's why when we add water in the soil, the air bubbles just come out. Next, why is the presence of air in the soil essential for plants? Because plants' root also need oxygen for respiration. That's why air is also present in the soil. Name 2 elements and 2 compounds present in air. So in case of 2 elements like oxygen, nitrogen, and the compounds are carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, etc. Name 2 major components of air and their approximate proportion. The 2 major components of air is oxygen and nitrogen, and their approximate proportion is 1:5. Is the composition of air strictly fixed? No, the composition of air is not strictly fixed, because in case of mixture, the proportion of constituents are not fixed. As because air is a mixture, that's why the composition of different constituents are not fixed. Where would you expect a higher proportion of carbon dioxide in air? Basically in cities or urban areas, whereas more industry and factories, then the level of carbon dioxide is higher in air in rural life. In which season would you expect a higher proportion of water vapor in air? Actually in rainy season, the hot and humidity is higher. I mean water vapor is higher in proportion. Which gas is formed when carbon dioxide is burnt in air? When carbon is burnt in air, normally they produce carbon dioxide. So student, already I have completed the chapter. In the next class, I will start revision. So for today, up to this portion, and I hope all of you understood.